Hey guys, it's me, Lucy Labs, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make 5 3x3 Rubik's Cube patterns. So the first pattern I'm going to show you is the checkerboard pattern. So how you do this is you take a middle and rotate that middle up twice, and we need to rotate the cube so that these three horizontal colors are in the front, and then we rotate this middle up twice, and then we find another side with horizontal and we rotate that middle up twice. And now you have the checkerboard pattern. And how you get back from this is you do the same thing, rotate the middle up twice, and instead of finding horizontal lines, we're going to rotate it so that the three lines are vertical. And we do middle up twice, and then find another vertical side, middle up twice. The second pattern is called the gift box. So the algorithm to do this is U, B2, R2, B2, L2, F2, R2, D prime, F2, L2, B, F prime, L, F2, D, U prime, R2, F prime, L prime, R prime. And so it sort of looks like the ribbon, and then, yeah, the gift box. And how you get back from this is R, L, F, R2, U, D prime, F2, L prime, F, B prime, L2, F2, D, R2, F2, L2, B2, R2, B2, U prime. The third pattern is called plus and minus. So there will be a plus sign, minus, plus, minus. So how you do that is U2, R2, L2, U2, R2, and then L2. So now you can see there's a plus, minus, and then these two sides are solved. And how you get back from that is this algorithm. But when you do the next algorithm to get back, you want to make sure the plus sign is in the front when you do it. So the solution is L2, R2, U2, L2, R2, and then U2. So the next pattern is called the 4 crosses. And the algorithm for this is U2, R2, L2, F2, B2, D2, L2, R2, F2, and then B2. So there is 4 crosses, and then these 2 sides are solved. And then how you get back from this is B2, F2, R2, L2, D2, B2, F2, L2, R2, and then U2. So the last pattern that I'm going to be showing you is called wire. So the algorithm for this is R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R2, B2, L2, R2, B2, L2. And as you can see, it's a sort of wire shape around the cube, so it's like an endless wire. And the solution to this, well, first you make sure that this side, this top part, is on the right. So the solution to this is L2, B2, R2, L2, B2, R2, B prime, F prime, L prime, R prime, B prime, F prime, L prime, R prime, B prime, F prime, L prime, and then R prime. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then like and subscribe, and yeah, see you later, super scientists.